Hey everyone, welcome back. Are your account positions or balances in the Fidelity app stuck on old numbers instead of refreshing with the current market? Here's the fix. First, pull down on the account screen to manually trigger a fresh refresh since this alone resolves most stuck balance issues. If the numbers still look frozen, force close the Fidelity app completely from your recent app list and then reopen it. Then check your positions again on a fresh session. Go to your settings and toggle airplane mode on for 15 seconds. Then go ahead and turn it back off to reset your connection. Since a account data can silently fail to refresh on an unstable network without showing an error, reopen Fidelity afterward to give it a minute to pull fresh data. If balances are still stuck, check the third-party outage tracker like down detectors, Fidelity page in a browser to rule out data feed issues on Fidelity's end, since account data delays have happened during confirmed past outages. So all you've got to do is pull to refresh, force close and reopen, reset your connection and check for an outage if it appears or proceeds. So that's all you've got to do. Your balance is update again and that's it. Subscribe.